Very good afternoon, everyone, and welcome for today's lecture. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the pi type attenuator. We have derived the equations for R1 and R2 that are the components or elements of the pi network or pi type attenuator. Then we have seen the L type attenuator also. We have solved the problems based on pi type attenuator as well as L type attenuator. So today we are going to learn the last type of attenuator in this unit or last bit in this unit. So that will be lattice attenuator. So lattice attenuator is the somewhat a new concept. Already we know that T-type network, pi-type network we have learned in the chapter number 3. But lattice network is the new structure of the network or new design of the network. So first of all, what I will do, I will draw the lattice attenuator. Then we will derive the expression of series arm element, that is R1, and diagonal arm element, that is R2. So before starting the derivation, I will draw the diagram of lattice attenuator. Here shunt arm will not be there. Series arm and shunt, instead of shunt arm there will be a diagonal arm is there. So diagonal arm is like this. So at second port, as usual, it is terminated with characteristic impedance, load impedance, or design impedance R0. So series arm resistance is here R1, and diagonal arm resistance is R2. So this is, we can call it as the lattice attenuator. So this is the lattice attenuator. So here the we can say that the series arm is there, R1, and diagonal arm is there, that consisting of R2. So this is as usual port 1 dash, this is 2 dash. Okay, so we will start to obtain the derivation of R1 and R2. So before starting the derivation, first of all we will describe this lattice attenuator. Consider consider the lattice attenuator. Consider the lattice attenuator as shown in figure. As shown in figure, it consists of series arm element as R1 and diagonal arm and diagonal arm element as R2. Okay, now the series and diagonal arm, the series and diagonal arm, that is R1 and R2, the series and diagonal arm of lattice attenuator can be specified in terms of characteristics impedance, R0 and propagation constant and propagation constant, and that is gamma. So here we can say, here the Z0 is replaced by R0 and the gamma is replaced by alpha. That is common for each and every we can say each and every attenuator. So we are going to start for the derivation, which gives the expression of R1 as well as R2. So first of all, I will redraw the diagram once again, because we are applying the KVL, and also I will rearrange this circuit in a proper way. So for that in above diagram I will give the naming at the node. This is A, this is the B, this will be C, and this will be D. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So I will rearrange this diagram in the form of Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge फॉर्म मध्ये मी ते कन्वर्ट करू शकतो. So properly carefully observe this diagram what I am doing, as well as the port name is there 1 dash 2 2 dash. So first of all I will redraw the diagram, then I will explain. So this I will consider A point. So this is the 1 dash, and this will be 2 2 dash. Okay, so this will be the point A, this will be point B. Sorry, uh, this you can consider as a point, this will be considered as a B. Okay, इकडे 2 आहे आणि इकडे 2 dash आहे. So at 2 there will be B. Okay, so this at 2 there will be B. So at 2 dash there will be D, and this we can consider as a C point. So according to that you can connect the registers. So between A and D, A and D means R2 is there. So you can connect this register as R2. You can mention here R2. So between A and B there is R1. This is R1. Between B and C again R2 is there. This is R2. And between C and D there is again R2 or R1, sorry. There is R1. And between B and D, so B and D, that is 2 and 2 dash, there is R0, that is 2 and 2 dash, there is R0, that is characteristic impedance R0. So I have converted the above lattice network into Wheatstone bridge network. Okay, Wheatstone bridge मध्ये मी convert केलं. Now the characteristic impedance or equivalent impedance I will take as R0. The voltage if you are applying at the port 1 dash, that is the V1. समजा हा V1 मी voltage apply केलं आणि V1 मुळे total current flow व्हायला लागलं, and that current will be the I1. So consider this assumption that I have connected the voltage source at V1 at port 1 dash as a V1, and due to this voltage source V1 the current is started, that total current is I1. So I1 is coming up to this point, इथपर्यंत I1 flow होणार, this current is I1. So at this point current is getting divided. थोडं करंट इकडे जाणार, थोडं करंट इकडे जाणार. ओके, मग एकातला करंट तुम्हाला अज्युम करावं लागेल. सो आय विल अज्युम दॅट the current flowing through this R2 is I. Let consider I will be the current flowing through R2. So what will be the current flowing through R1? इथं करंट डिवाइड व्हायला लागलाय. हा करंट मी I घेतला तर हा करंट किती होणार आहे? I1 minus I. So I will write this current as I1 minus I. ओके, आता I1 minus I इथपर्यंत आला. This current flow up to this point. परत त्याला दोन पाथ मिळणार. One is R0 and second is R2. So in that I will consider as this current as I2. कारण सेकंड पोर्टला आपण काय करतोय, करंट I2 म्हणून घेतोय. सो कन्सिडर दिस करंट एज I2. मग हा करंट सांगा मला आता किती राहणार? I1 minus I is the total current at this point, and it is getting divided into two parts. if this current is I2, then this current will be I1 minus I minus I2. Understood? So what you have to do now, next one, आता हा I2 करंट इथपर्यंत आला आणि इकडनं I झाला, मग हे दोन्ही इनकमिंग आहेत. दिस इज इनकमिंग अँड दिस इज ऑल्सो इनकमिंग, सो दिस मस्ट बी आउटगोइंग. मग हे हा करंट काय असणार आहे, I प्लस I2. सो I will write here I plus I2. So the current flowing through this R1 is I plus I2. म्हणजे R2 मधला करंट किती झाला I, या R1 मधलं करंट किती झालं I1 minus I, या R2 मधलं करंट किती झाला I1 minus I minus I2, R0 मधलं करंट किती झाला I2 आणि R1 मधलं करंट किती झाला I plus I2. म्हणजे मला या सगळ्या रेजिस्टर मधलं करंट मला आता आयडेंटिफाय झालं. सो इट इज इझी टू अप्लाय नाव KVL. ओके, आता ह्याच्यात 3 लूप आहेत. हे एक लूप घेऊ शकता आउटर लूप, असं मोठं लूप घेऊ शकता. सो नंबर ऑफ लूप्स आर देअर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू युअर रिक्वायरमेंट यू कॅन चूज द लूप. कुठलं लूप पाहिजे ते तुम्ही डिसाईड करा आणि त्या लूपनुसार तुम्हाला एक्सप्रेशन मिळणार. आता मला R1चं एक्सप्रेशन फाइंड आउट करायचे. माय एम इज टू गेट द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ R1 फर्स्ट अँड लेट नेक्स्ट R2. मग R1 कुठं आहे ते पाथ तुम्ही सिलेक्ट करा. ओके, सपोज हा पाथ मी सिलेक्ट केला, म्हणजे 1 पासून सुरू केलं, 1 to 1, देन कम टू ए पॉइंट. मग R1 कुठे आहे, इकडे आहे का इकडे आहे, या साईडला आहे. मग A to B, बरोबर आहे. मग R2 इकडे, R2 कडे जायचं नाही, मग B to D जायचं, D to C, कारण D to C मध्ये परत R1 आहे. म्हणजे मला असं पाथ सिलेक्ट करायचं आहे ज्यामध्ये फक्त R1 असेल. R0 इज द कॉमन, R0 इज द गिवन थिंग्स. R0 असेल तर नो प्रॉब्लेम, कारण आपले सगळे एक्सप्रेशन काय येणार आहे इन टर्म्स ऑफ R0 येणार आहेत. ओके, सो आय विल सिलेक्ट द पाथ 1 to 1, then A, then B, then D, then C, and again C to 1 So if you are applying KVL in this loop, so what I will write, if you are applying KVL, what I have selected the path, that is 1 to 1, A, B, D, C, and 1 then you will get one expression, and from that expression you will get the formula of R1. So I will write now expression, apply KVL, in loop. So you can mention the loop, in loop, that is 1 1 A, next B, next D, next C, next again 1 So this is the path of loop you can mention, so that you can understand where I have applied the KVL. So I will start with 1 to 1, so that is minus to plus. मग minus to plus असल्यामुळे काय असणार आहे ते, you can write as a V1. Okay, minus to plus, that is a V1 you can write. Next next minus R1 into I1 minus I. Next minus R0 into I2, R0 into I2. Next minus R1 into काय येणार होता I plus I2, I plus I2, and next that is equal to 0. So this is the expression. So properly you can check with the help of diagram. You can take the help of diagram and properly write the equation. Okay, now what is V1? V1 means total current I1 and total impedance is R0. So but total current V1 is equal to I1 into total impedance R0. R0 में इथं दाखवलंय. So R0 is the total impedance at the input port 1 So V1 is equal to total current I1 into R0. That is according to Ohm's law we can say. But V1 is equal to I0 into R1. That is according to Ohm's law. So put here, that is V1 you can replace by I1 into R0. Next R1 into I1, R1 into I1. Next minus to minus plus R1 into I. Next minus R0 into I2. Next minus R1 into I. And next minus R1 into I2 is equal to 0. आता कुठले टर्म कॅन्सल होतात का सांगा मला. एनी टर्म्स गेटिंग कॅन्सल. Okay, I think this r1 in this plus r1 into I is there and minus r1 into I is there. This term will get cancelled. अजून कुठला? Anything? Okay, so only I1 is remaining, I2 is remaining. So you can collect I1 term in one side. So I1 into R0, next minus R1 into I1, you can collect in one side. R2 take you can another side, both are the minus, so it will become plus R0 into I2 plus R1 into I2. So take common here I1 and here I2. I1 जर कॉमन काढला तर काय होईल आता, R0 minus R1, and here take I2 as a common, so here it will be R0 plus R1. Okay, now I1 divided by I2 you can take is equal to R0 plus R1 and this R0 minus R1. So up to this step, anyone, any type of doubt? Hello, any doubt is there up to this step? Okay, now but I1 divided by I2 is equal to what? N. V1 divided by V2 is equal to I1 divided by I2 is equal to N. So put here in this above formula. So N is equal to R0 plus R1 divided by R0 minus R1. So we are thinking about how to get the expression of R1. So now rearrange this. So multiply this N into R0 minus R1 is equal to R0 plus R1. Okay, this denominator term you can multiply with N. So this will be N R0 minus N R1 is equal to R0 plus R1. So what you have to do, R1 term you can take in a one side and R0 term you can in a another side. So R1, this term becomes plus. So R1 plus N R1 in a one side is equal to, okay, is equal to काय होणार आता, N R0 minus R0. So here you can take R1 common. So R1 in bracket N plus 1, and here if you are taking R0 as a common, so it becomes N minus 1. So finally we will get now expression of R1. R1 is equal to R0 into N minus 1 as it is, and this N plus 1 will goes to the denominator. So this will give the expression of R1. So this I will give the expression number 1. Understood? So once you are putting I1 divided by I2 is equal to N, so properly rearrange, keep our aim as we are finding the expression of R1. So R1 term you can take in one side and remaining all those things you can take in another side, so that you can get the expression of R1. So up to this step there will not be any problem. Simple derivation is there. Properly you have to apply the KVL. So for that I have written the path also. जर तुम्हाला पाथ समजलं नसेल म्हणून तुम्हाला मी ते ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहून दाखवलंय. सो 1-1 to A, B, D, C and 1 in which only R0 is there and R1 is there. R2 दिसता कामा नये. Understood? So you can tell me now, if I want to get the expression of R2, what I can do? मला आता R2 चे एक्सप्रेशन मिळवायचं आहे, तर मग मी आता काय करू शकतो? एनीवन? From this derivation, anyone can tell how to get the expression of R2 now? Anyone? How to get the expression of R2 now? So I will show the diagram once again. आता KVL चा तुमचा पाथ कुठला होता? Which is the path you have applied for getting R1? Where R1 and R0 is there. तो पाथ तुम्ही सिलेक्ट केलेला होता. आता जर R2 चं जर तुम्हाला मिळवायचं असेल, so you have to select the path A to D, in which R2 is there, A to D, then D to B, okay, and then B to C. A to D, D to B, and B to C, and last one dash. So this path you have to follow, in which only R2, R0, and again R2 is there. So that path if you are selecting, you will get the expression. So that I will write directly. So apply KVL. So you can take as a homework. I will give the hint. Apply KVL in loop. So I will write that loop 1 dash to 1, then A to D, D to B, B to C, and then 1 dash. Okay, this you have to follow this loop, and if you are applying this loop, then you will get the expression of R2 as equal to, I will write directly formula. So R2 is equal to R0 into, ओके नाव आता R1 चं काय आलं होतं डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये n-1 आलता, आता इथं काय असणार आहे n+1 असणार आहे, फक्त इथे एक्सचेंज होणार आहे. ओके, सो R1 इज इक्वल टू R0 इंटू n-1 डिवायडेड बाय n+1 होता, आता R2 काय होणार आहे n+1 डिवायडेड बाय n-1. दॅट विल बी ओनली चेंज you will get in the expression of R2. So you can take this as a homework. You can try whether we are getting the same formula or not. Okay, so these are the two formulas. One represents the series arm element as R1, and second one represents the diagonal arm element as a R2. So any doubt? I have written the path also. So just you have to apply the KVL and you have to write the equations and rearrange the equation. You will get this expression, that is R2 equal to R0 into n+1 divided by n-1. Okay, so wait 1 minute. Okay, so we are going to solve one problem today, and the second problem we will solve in the next lecture. As well as in the next lecture, I will give the table which will help to remember all the formulas related to filter as well as related to attenuator in a one table. Okay, that those 2 points I will discuss in the next lecture. So today we are going to solve the problem based on lattice attenuator, then we will stop. So design a symmetrical lattice attenuator. Design a symmetrical lattice attenuator to have characteristics impedance of 800 ohm and an attenuation of 20 dB. So this is the question asked. It will ask for 4 marks. Design a symmetrical lattice attenuator to have characteristics impedance of 800 ohm and attenuation of 20 dB. So whatever the question will be there, the nature of question will be same. Only they will change the value of impedance, they will change the value of attenuation, and they will change the type of attenuator. So according to that, you have to solve the problem. So first of all, which type of attenuator they have asked, so that you can note down. Many students have confusion between lattice and L type. So L type is different and lattice attenuator is different. Lattice attenuator consisting of diagonal element, always remember that is the specialty. So lattice attenuator we have to design. R0 is given 800 ohm and the value of attenuation given in terms of dB, that is D is equal to 20 dB. So what is our first aim? We are finding the capital N, that is Napier value of attenuation. So N is equal to antilog of base 10, capital D by 20. So whenever the D is in multiple of 20, we will get the answer very fast. So antilog of base 10, 20 divided by 20. So antilog of 1, that is nothing but n is equal to 10. So this is the answer of n. Once we will get n, you will get next the series arm element. The series arm element of lattice attenuator is given by the series arm element of lattice attenuator is given by, you can make it underline series arm. So what is the formula of R1? Many students are getting confusion. n plus 1 वरती आहे का n minus 1 वरती आहे. So properly carefully observe, R1 is always less. Okay. So R1 is equal to R0 into n minus 1 divided by n plus 1. So minus 1 जेव्हा असेल n minus 1, that is R1. Always remember. Whenever the plus is here, that is R2. So place all those values. R0 is 800 into n किती आले 10. 10 minus 1 in a one bracket and 10 plus 1 in a one bracket. So tell me now R1 value, how much you got? Anyone? What is the answer? R1, how much you got? Nearly 650. किती वेळ लागेल? क्विक. किती आला आन्सर? हॅलो. R1 is equal to okay 654.5 ohm. So this is the answer of R1. What are doing other students? कॅल्क्युलेटर नसेल तुमच्याकडं, डोंट टेक द ॲडव्हान्टेज ऑफ ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्स. सच ॲडव्हान्टेजेस म्हणजे विचारलं तर सांगायचं नाही. नॉट कीपिंग कॅल्क्युलेटर विथ युअर सेल्फ. So R1 is equal to 654.5 ohm. We got. Now R2 is equal to, that is diagonal element. The diagonal arm element, make it underline. The diagonal arm element is given by, so R2 is equal to R0 into, here n plus 1 is there, divided by n minus 1. So put the values. R0 you can replace by 800, then 10 plus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So R2 we got 977.78 ohm. So that is correct. So R2 is equal to 977.78 ohm. So finally you can draw the lattice attenuator properly. So this is R1, this is R1, this is R2, this is also R2, and between second port you can connect R0. So this is R0. So mention the values properly. So R0 is given as 800 ohm. So R1 we got 654.5 ohm, 654.5 ohm. So R2 we got 977.78 ohm. This also you can say the same. Okay. So 977.78 for both R2. So you can give the name one dash, two dash, sorry, two dash, and you can give the name here. This is lattice attenuator. Okay. So understood the design of lattice attenuator. So 4 mark question you have to easily get from the attenuator section. Okay.